how to change time zone on Printify. Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how you can easily change your time zone on Printify account. First of all, open the Printify application on your smartphone, or you may also go visit the Printify website and log in. I have opened up the Printify app on my smartphone. Make sure you're logged into your account as well, and once you are in, go ahead and click on the account button at the bottom right corner. Inside account, click on Open Printify Web. You can also open the Printify.com website without opening up the app so that you can make your changes easier. Once you're inside this website, go to the top right and click on My Store. Also make sure you are logged into your Printify.com website as well if you haven't already. And once you're inside this page, go to the top right corner and tap the 3 horizontal menu button. Now, scroll down and click on Account drop-down. Once the account option opens up, click on Settings. Under Settings, you'll see the Standards and Formats option. Go to the Time Zone drop-down and click on it. And now, go ahead and select a different time zone you want to change to. Select your correct city or the time zone, and once you do that, your changes will be saved. So there you have it. That is how you can easily change your time zone on Printify. Changing your time zone on Printify helps you track orders, production, and account activity more accurately. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.